guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set cell borders in the Keynote app. First we have to open up the app. Here we already have a document with a table in it. From here we just click on the table, and then in the right side we click on cell here, and then here we have border and border style, and we can select these borders and then add it like this. For example, if we want to have dotted borders there, we can have it like that. Or if we want to have more like this, and then yeah, we can customize it to our liking. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.